What's up, guys? Back in our YouTube video here. So today you are going to be picking your favorite stuffed animal. There's going to be 3 stuffed animals, so you have to pick which one you like the most. So let's get started. Number 3, we have I Love Arizona. I don't even know his name, but this is him. On his t-shirt it says I Love Arizona, and on his paw it says love. So that's number 3. You can choose this one. This is one. We got Skipper here. His name is Skipper. He has a little baby right here. Pretty cute. You can choose this one. Or there's the zebra here. Which name, I don't know what the name is, but we called it Zebri. Pretty cute. So you choose which one you like. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel. You can choose any one you want. They're all cute. But please like this video and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you at the next video.